In this video, I will show you how you can add your Google contacts from new Calendly events automatically. So here I am going to set an automation in Calendly and Google Contacts in such a way that whenever any new invitee booked an event into Calendly, the same invitee will be added automatically into your Google Contacts. In this way, whenever you want to make any contact with your invitee, you do not have to search for the invitee details by logging into the Calendly. You can directly call your invitees from Google Contacts itself. So if you also want to set this automation for yourself, then come with me and I will show you everything step by step. So this is my Calendly application, and in order to sync all Calendly invitees with the Google Contacts, I will have to first integrate these two applications with the help of Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation software. And I am an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so here you can notice I am already logged in. You can also create your free account in Pabbly Connect in just 2 minutes from this sign up free button, and in the free account you will also get free tasks to test this automation. Now once you will reach to the dashboard, click on this blue button, that is create workflow, and then provide any random name to your workflow, to your automation. Okay, so I have provided the name as add Google Contacts from new Calendly invitees. Okay, now I'm going to click on this blue button, that is create, and after that you will notice two boxes in front of you. Okay, so these are actually trigger and action. Okay, and here the trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So whenever this happens, then automatically do this. Try to understand with an example also. Let's say whenever a sale happen in our payment gateway application, then automatically send an email via Gmail application to your customers. So this is how you need to always select the applications in which you are building an automation. And here, according to our use case, whenever any new invitee is created into the Calendly application, then automatically add those invitee details into the Google Contacts application. Okay, so I have selected both the applications in this trigger and the action window. Okay, where is Google Contacts? Alright, it is done. Now the idea here is I am going to connect both the applications one by one with the Pabbly Connect. So firstly, I am going to select the trigger event, that is whenever any new invitee is created into the Calendly application, then this automation should trigger. Okay, so simply click on connect, then click on add a new connection, click on connect with the Calendly, and then you will have to provide the access of your Calendly account. Okay, I have provided this access multiple times. Here you can see since I am already logged in into this Calendly application already, so that is why the authorization is successful and my Calendly application is connected with the Pabbly Connect. Now here you can notice it has automatically fetched the organization from my Calendly application and user as well. Okay, and now I am going to click on this save and send test request button, and then you will notice that it will start waiting for the response. And here response means basically whenever any new invitee is created, it is going to capture that invitee response, that invitee details. Okay, so I am going to create a new invitee in front of here. You can notice it has already started waiting for the response. Okay, so this is my Calendly application. Here I have created an event with the name astrology consultation online. Okay, and now I am going to open the booking page of this particular consultation online. Okay, and then as a dummy user I am going to register this event basically as a new invitee. Okay, so assume that I am booking my consultation for the astrology for this 29th of June. Okay, and the timing is 10 a.m. Okay, clicking on next, and here I am going to provide my dummy details. Okay, so assume that the name of the person is demo user, the email address of the person is demo@pabblytunes.com, and lastly I am going to provide some dummy phone number, that is 96666 and 66666. It's a 10-digit dummy number. Now I am going to schedule this event, and you will notice that once the event is scheduled into the Calendly, the same details will be captured via Pabbly Connect. Alright, I'll have to wait for the response to be received, and here you can notice the response response is received. Let me show you the details one by one. So here we have the same dummy email address, here we have the same name of the person, here we have the same phone number of the person. Let me also show you the event name, that is astrology consultation online, and we even have the start date and time and the end date and time. Let me show you where is the end date and time. All right, so here you can notice we have the end date and time. Okay, but here you can notice one more thing, that is I have scheduled this event for this 10 a.m. and 10:30 a.m. okay, but if I will show you the start and the end timing, you will notice a different timing here. Okay, so let me show you where is the start timing. All right, so the date is same, that is 29th of June, and if I will check the timing, that is 10 to 10:30 a.m. okay, so here you can notice we have actually 4:30 as the timing received. Okay, so basically this particular timing has been captured into the UTC format. Okay, so basically both the timings are same, the only difference is about the time zone. Okay, so what I can do is I can simply convert this timing from UTC into my local time zone, and in this way I can easily get the same timing. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between Pabbly Connect and Calendly application is working absolutely fine. Okay, so now onwards what will happen, every time any new invitee is created into the Calendly application, those invitee details will be captured via Pabbly Connect instantly, because this trigger will instantly capture the new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. Okay, so the first step of our automation is done, and now moving further, when I have already captured the invitee details, now I am going to add those invitee details into the Google Contacts. Okay, so just like I have connected Pabbly Connect and Calendly, now I am going to connect this Google Contacts and Pabbly Connect. Alright, so I have selected the action event. Now I am going to click on this connect button, clicking on add new connection, clicking on sign in with Google, and then it will ask you the access of your Google Contacts account. Okay, I have provided this access multiple times, so I can also go with the existing connection. Okay, and make sure if you are building this connection for the first time, you will also have to go with the new connection only, and after that you can also go with the existing connection. Here you can notice my Google Contacts is connected with the Pabbly Connect, and currently I do not have any contacts into my Google Contacts, and as soon as with the help of this automation I am going to create a new contact, you will notice how contacts will be synced automatically. Now it is asking several details in order to create a contact in Google Contacts. Okay, but currently in this particular automation I have collected only few data from this Calendly. Basically I have collected only the name, email and the phone number from my invitee. Okay, so that is why I am going to update only few details, and then rest of the details I am going to leave blank. Okay, so it is asking for the email address, display name. Okay, so basically it is asking enter the email address, display name. Okay, so here I am going to provide the name of the person which was demo user. Okay, so I have mapped this detail. Now you must be thinking that what is this mapping and from where this data has came from. Okay, so whenever I will click on this field, you will notice the same data is visible here in the drop down. Okay, so in order to provide the detail, I don't need to manually copy the above details and paste it here. Okay, I can easily map those details from this drop down. Okay, so let me show you. Here I need to map the email address. Let me search for the same and map it here. Okay, now you must be thinking that what is this mapping which I am repeating again and again in front of you. Okay, so whatever the details I am going to map here, these details will be replaced automatically when this automation will work in real time. Yes, I am repeating this again. Whatever the details I am providing here with the help of mapping, these details will change, will replace automatically when this automation will work in next time or in real time. Let me also provide the last important information which I have collected from my invited. Okay, so I have provided the same. Now I am going to click on this button. Okay, let us check whether I have provided the correct value or not. Okay, phone number values. Okay, enter phone number values separated by a comma. Okay, so I think we can provide multiple phone numbers of a single person. Okay, so separated by a comma. Okay, so I have already provided one single phone number. So finally I am going to click on the save and send test request button, and you will notice as soon as I do that, firstly a response will be received into the Pabbly Connect dashboard. Okay, and if the response is received, I can say that my contact has been created into my Google contact. And yes, the response is received. Let me go back to my Google contacts and refresh this particular Google contacts, and here you can notice that the same person has been created as a contact into my Google Contacts application automatically. So here we have the important details of the invitee, that is the name, email address. I'm sorry that in place of name I have added the email address. Okay, so make sure that you provide the details in the correct values into the correct fields. Okay, so let us first correct this thing. Alright, so in this display name, how about I map the email address, the name of the person, and let us click on this button once again and see where exactly it is going to update this detail. Okay, let me refresh it. And here you can notice that in the name field right now we have the name as demo user and email address and phone number. Okay, so basically I have provided the name into this given name field. Okay, let me show you where is that field exactly. Okay, so can you notice this field given name? Here exactly I have provided the name, and after that the details have been updated at the correct place. Okay, so this is how now onwards every time any new invitee is going to schedule any event into your Calendly application, now you can sync your invitee details with your Google contacts, and now onwards whenever you want to make any contact with your users, with your invitee, you can directly open your Gmail account or your phone and then you can directly contact. You do not have to come back to the Calendly application and check for the invitee details. Okay, and to automate this process you need to create this automation inside Pabbly Connect just once. After that you can sit back and relax because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually, and just in case if you want to access this automation inside your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach this link into my description box. So you just need to click on this link and sign up into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access this workflow, this automation inside your Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.